To use a virtual credit card, start by visiting the website and logging into your profile or registering if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see various options, including language settings and support for trips, as well as a search bar. When making a reservation, a virtual card number is generated specifically for that booking. The virtual credit card details, including the number and expiration date, are sent electronically to the hotel or property, which uses the virtual card as a payment guarantee for your stay. After checking out, the hotel will change the virtual card to reflect the actual stay, and the payment is handled promptly. For more detailed instructions, refer to the website's documentation or contact their support team. This process streamlines payments, ensuring the hotel receives payment promptly.